Hello, my lovelies. Today we are going to give my sweet little sassy May, my 18-year-old dog, a bath outside with the hose because she's really old and she's got all these non-cancerous tumors. I think they're called lipomas everywhere, and like the hard tub just kind of hurts. She likes to be outside because she likes it to be hot, on her bones, I guess, because she's old. So we're gonna do it outside, and the girls are gonna help me. Elliot's still in school. Look at you, big girls.
Take a video.
I am. You're doing really good.
Mommy, do me now.
Okay.
Do me now, Mom. Do me now. Good.